Yo, 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 it's your boy Pokey. We got my boy Thorn in the building. We're about to play some Sons of the Forest.
Yes,
After,
sir.
after,
Part
after
two.
part two, after like a couple months, I got the face cam now, so hopefully you guys fuck with it for the people that do watch my
Yes,
videos.
sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, let's get it.
Let's get it.
What's the plan, bro?
No, I don't think we're catching that, man.
Oh, we're catching it, bro.
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, damn
Wait,
it.
do we have a?
Bro, why do I have just random things in my inventory?
Oh, but I got crunchy run cheese, bro. You remember those?
Crunchy one cheese, bro. Peak?
Oh my God, they're big.
Isn't the house this way?
It's right here.
Wait, this is our house? Did we restart?
No. Yes.
How did we restart?
This is where we left off. Oh, you got him.
Indeed, I did.
Be taking that. Some delectables.
We're gonna make a campfire. Sing the campfire song. Dude, this is not a right, okay. Oh shit! How's the leg?
Is it rotten?
Go, buddy.
Oh, delectables. Oh,
Indeed, indeed.
oh my God. Can't believe you cook up such a feast.
I did. 'Cause I know you like feet.
God. Yeah, let's go to sleep, why don't we?
Indeed.
Ooh.
Ugh.
Ooh. Oh.
What's up, Kevin?
Hey. Why don't you take the cart and go exploring for a bit? Build the house.
Okay, I got you. I'll take Kevin with me. Can I take Kevin with
Go
me?
ahead.
Yo, Kevin. Yo. Yo. Kevin. Yo. Kevin. Yep. 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 We're gonna go on an adventure, Kevin.
Hey, fool, good luck, and don't wreck the whip, alright?
Just driving along side the road in the countryside. Don't know where I'm going. Oh, I killed a deer. That's hunting right there. Yo. Yo. Thorn.
Yo, 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 yo.
I just hit the damn. I hit a deer.
No, did you wreck the whip?
I hit a deer.
Is it...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Help me. I'm dead.
What
I'm,
happened?
I died.
Yo.
I died. I died. I died, bro.
Hey, they coming to jump me! They jumping me!
Oh, what's going on?
Help me!
Alright, come on, Kevin. We got it.
Help!
Don't worry, bro. I got you. Oh, no, I don't. I lied. I completely lied. Yes. Where am I? Oh, well, looks like we're in the same pickle here, Thorin.
This is unfortunate, huh?
Yeah, this is unfortunate.
Where's Kevin?
Oh, there he is. Kevin! Kevin, save us! Oh.
We might be cooked.
Don't worry. I'm gonna lock you in. Hold on, watch this. What's I gotta do? Right? Bro, how, bro? Got you down, bro. Get down. Bro, let's get out of here, bro. We're outnumbered, bro. We're outnumbered. Run. Come on, bro. Plan our escape. Let's go, bro. Go. Go.
Go! Wait, we see Kevin. Let's go!
Save Kevin. Did we get that? Did we get everybody? Let's go. Let's get the fuck up out of here, bro. My plan worked.
Where we at?
We're below the base.
the cart?
Oh, so about that. It flipped up in the air and glitched away. What?
Building the walls.
Oh, okay. Oh. How come it's not letting me place this? Like,
What?
he said what? How come it's not letting me place the thing?
So you stole my chair.
Who just hit me? But anyways, I needed this.
Hey man, you're on my chair.
Sir, I needed this. I needed this more than anything. Shorty hurt me so bad. Got me thinking about nature and shit. I lost myself that day. That day she left, it wasn't the same. You know, I wonder, like, where'd her love go? Or was it real? Was it fake? You know? And I know I stole your
Right.
chair, but I just needed time to think. And anybody who's going through a heartbreak, man, just know you'll get through it. I know it hurts to see your favorite person go away, but it's okay because there'll be a new favorite person. And you just gotta focus on yourself and do better for you. At the end of the day, it's not always gonna be night. It's gonna be day. And as much as you really care about this person and you love him, but
Hey man, come get me.
oh, he's knocked. He's knocked. And yeah, that's the end of that. And he died. Oh no! Oh, bro, they caught us lacking, bro. Look behind you, bro.
Oh my god!
They
Why is
caught-
it raining?
What?
Yeah,
No,
this is
what?
a cinematic fight, bro.
This is a cinematic.
Cinematic fight.
Oh god, this is the end.
Let's go. Fight to the death.
All right. Oh god. I'm coming, Thorn.
You sleepy? Ah!
No, Thorn, get up.
Oh, you saved me.
I did. They think they can take our house. Nah, don't let them.
Get him. They thought they could
Yeah,
catch us lacking.
yeah. They thought they could catch us lacking. Fuck no. We're the
Show it to the
best.
gods. Show them.
I will. I will show it to Jesus. Jesus, do you see this?
Ah! Don't let me die.
Wait, what is that? Thorn, what is that? Oh, that's Kevin. Alright.
Anyway, back to what you were saying.
Back to what I was saying. That was a similar ass fight. Alright, this is off the dome piece. This is how I'm actually feeling. Oh shit, it's dark as shit. Can you give me a light? For anybody who's going through a heartbreak and wants to get through it, this is what I recommend. Do not text that person if they left you. If you left them, go get your person. But if they left you, my advice is just leave it alone because they left you for a reason. And just focus on you and build your tower up high and really high. The one they destroyed. And that void, you'll fill it up with bigger and greater things. And bigger and greater things are going to come to you when you start focusing on you completely. And you just slowly, over time, you'll forget about this person and move on. Well, you won't forget about this person, but you'll move on. Anyways, I don't know what I'm talking about. What up, Kevin?